Okay, y'all, we're gonna make us some sous vide fried pork chop, and I'm gonna try to do some Jamaican fried jerk pork chop as well. So I got 4 thick cuts of pork chops right here, and I'm gonna use some special type of bread and mix for this, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what that bread and mix is about. All right, just give me a minute before I get to that, but I got right here some thick cut breast. Now here's the ingredients. So the bread mix that I'm gonna use to coat these up with, to flour these up with, is already pre-seasoned. All right. So I'm just gonna use some of the basic seasonings on here so I can get me a nice little good taste to them. So I haven't tried the bread and mix yet. So this is what I'm gonna do. All right. So I got 2 pork chops that I am gonna do like Jamaican jerk style, right? So for experimentation's sake, I'm gonna take these seasonings, which is black pepper and cayenne pepper, and I got some of this here Michel's Corner sweet heat poultry and meat seasoning. And then I want to take some of this here ground paprika, and I'm just going to use some red pepper flakes, all right? And I'm going to season up 1 pork chop, and then I'm just going to leave this pork chop by itself, season up 1, leave 1 by itself, and I'm just going to use the bread mix for that. And then I'm going to do Jamaican jerk styles on 2 of these here breasts, 2 of these here pork chops, all right? So I just want to put black pepper on this. And matter of fact, y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and just do these 2. All right. I'm pretty sure, man, I have enough time to experiment with that other, so I'm just gonna do these 2. So right now we're about to add this here Jamaican jerk seasoning to our pork chops, all right? And this would definitely kick up the flavors for this here fried jerk pork chop. Is going to take it up a notch, trust and believe me. We're not only going to apply the dried seasoning to it, we're also going to put on some of this here hot jerk seasoning, which is like a paste form. And we're going to add it to both sides of the pork chop, and I'm trying to get the maximum amount of flavor as possible. All right, so right now we're about to enhance the flavors just a little bit more by adding some of this here jerk style barbecue sauce. And I want to add it to the jerk pork chops only. And I did put in both styles of these pork chops in vacuum sealed bags, because we are definitely going to sous vide these with the sous vide machine, and this will help it cook. Now let's set the sous vide machine temperature to 160 degrees, and then we want to set the timer at 2 hours and 30 minutes. YouTube fam, this is the seasoning that I'm going to use. Not the seasoning, but the seasoned flour that I'm using. And this is a beautiful thing, man. It looks like she got all the seasonings all up in here. You can see some of the parsley and some of everything. All right, so this is Soulful T's seasoned flour. All right, so if you don't know who Soulful T is, I'm leaving a link below. I do believe everybody know who Soulful T is. So I've seen her try this many times on her YouTube channel, and I'm definitely gonna try this out today just to see how it really tastes. And I'm trying this out on my sous vide pork chops, and this is what I'm gonna fry it in. So it's seasoned flour, and it's made by Soulful T, and I'm using her. I'm gonna drop her link below where you can go check out her YouTube channel. And if you want to purchase some of this as well, you can go to Soulful T, www.soulfultllc.com, and I'm gonna leave a link below. So the ingredients into this, what's in here, is like all-purpose flour, wheat flour, cornstarch, cornmeal, baking powder, garlic powder, onions, onion powder, was that pepper, paprika, parsley flakes, and chicken-based flavor seasoning. All right, so this is pretty much everything that's in here. And I'm looking at this thing, y'all. I'm telling you, it looks good. So I'm gonna see how it goes with this here Soulful T seasoned flour. So let's go ahead and prepare this right now so we can get our pork chops in that skillet and see what we got going on with this. All right. So I'm just gonna crack the seal open, because when you do buy this, it's gonna come sealed up, and she got it sealed pretty daggone good. So definitely this is a professional type of seal on this thing. I like this, for real. So I'm gonna crack the seal on it. Just put enough in here and see. Save some for later. Try to anyway. A little bit more. Smells good. When you open that bag, you can definitely smell the season. So I'm hoping that I didn't over season the regular pork chops, because that's seasoned to the max. I don't know if you guys can see this, but you can see the parsley flakes. You can definitely smell the seasoning into this flour. Okay, these pork chops are about to hit the skillet. Now, just to let you know, these pork chops are already done. Only thing I'm doing now is browning this here seasoned flour, and I'm pretty sure that it's going to be one of the best that you've ever tasted, hands down.
We did a taste test with the regular fried pork chop, and I'm telling you guys, it was amazing. Now with this Jamaican style pork chop, we paired it up with some Jamaican collard greens, some Jamaican style string beans, and some Jamaican yellow rice. Big up the rude boy, yes indeed. Hey, I want to say thank you so much for watching these here videos. Please subscribe for more videos. Give this video a thumbs up and also comment below. Let me know what type of videos you would like to see in the future. I just want to say thank you guys. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.